In this insightful discussion, we delve into the world of long-distance relationships and shine a light on the pros and cons they entail. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Relationship Facts. Long-distance relationships, LDRs, have become increasingly common in today's globalized world. Advances in technology and changes in societal norms have made it easier for individuals to maintain relationships over vast distances. While these relationships offer unique challenges, they also present distinctive opportunities for growth and connection. This comprehensive exploration delves into the various aspects of long-distance relationships, outlining their advantages and disadvantages to provide a nuanced understanding of this modern romantic phenomenon. Pros of long-distance relationships. Enhanced communication. One of the most significant advantages of long-distance relationships is the emphasis on communication. With physical presence limited, couples often resort to various forms of digital communication to maintain their bond. This constant need to communicate fosters a deeper level of verbal intimacy as partners share their thoughts, feelings, and daily experiences more frequently and in more detail than they might if they lived together. Over time, this can lead to a strong foundation built on mutual understanding and emotional connection. Independence and personal growth. Long-distance relationships afford individuals a unique blend of connection and independence. Partners in an LDR have the space to pursue their personal goals, hobbies, and interests, which can lead to significant personal growth. This independence can also strengthen the relationship. As each partner develops individually, they bring new insights and experiences into the relationship, enriching their shared life. Trust and commitment. Trust is the cornerstone of any relationship, but in long-distance relationships, it is both a challenge and an opportunity. The distance forces couples to trust each other in ways that geographically close couples might not have to confront directly. Successfully navigating this aspect of an LDR can strengthen a couple's commitment and confidence in their partnership, laying a solid foundation for a future together. Appreciation for shared moments. The physical distance that defines LDRs makes the time couples do spend together precious. This scarcity of shared physical space tends to heighten appreciation for the moments they can share, whether it's a simple walk in the park or a weekend getaway. These moments become imbued with a special significance, often leading to more meaningful and memorable experiences. Cons of long-distance relationships. Emotional strain. Despite the potential for emotional growth, long-distance relationships can also be a source of significant emotional strain. The absence of physical closeness can lead to feelings of loneliness, longing, and sometimes even jealousy or insecurity. These emotions can be challenging to manage and may strain the relationship if not addressed openly and constructively. Communication challenges. While communication is a strength of LDRs, it can also be a double-edged sword. Misunderstandings are more common when communication is limited to text, voice, and video, without the benefit of physical cues and context. The reliance on digital communication can also lead to fatigue, with the constant need to be connected digitally sometimes feeling like a burden. Physical intimacy. The lack of physical intimacy is one of the most obvious downsides of long-distance relationships. Physical touch is an essential aspect of romantic relationships for many people, and its absence can lead to a feeling of disconnect. While digital communication can mitigate this to some extent, it cannot fully replace the intimacy and comfort of physical closeness. Logistical challenges. Maintaining a long-distance relationship often involves significant logistical challenges, including time zone differences, scheduling conflicts, and the financial and time costs of travel. These challenges can add stress to the relationship, especially if visits are infrequent or difficult to arrange. Navigating long-distance relationships. Successfully navigating a long-distance relationship requires effort, commitment, and creativity from both partners. Open and honest communication is crucial, as is a willingness to address and work through the challenges that arise. Setting goals for the future, including plans to eventually live in the same location, can also help maintain a sense of direction and purpose in the relationship. Long-distance relationships are a complex blend of challenges and opportunities. While they require significant effort and resilience, they also offer unique opportunities for personal growth, deep communication, and strengthening of trust and commitment. Whether or not an LDR is right for any particular couple depends on their individual circumstances, personalities, and priorities. What is clear, however, is that with the right approach, long-distance relationships can be just as fulfilling and enduring as those in which partners share the same physical space. Embarking on the journey of a long-distance relationship, LDR, is a testament to the resilience of human connections, demonstrating that love can thrive even across vast distances. This exploration delves deeper into the nuances of managing an LDR, further unpacking the pros and cons while offering insights into making these relationships work. Deepening emotional connection. A profound benefit of long-distance relationships is the opportunity to cultivate a deep emotional connection. The absence of physical presence necessitates finding new, creative ways to express affection and maintain a sense of closeness. Couples might engage in sending thoughtful gifts, writing letters, or planning online dates, activities that require a level of intentionality and effort that can deepen the emotional bond. This process of constantly finding new ways to connect can foster a unique closeness, with partners often feeling that they know each other on a more profound level than if they were geographically close. Valuing quality over quantity. In long-distance relationships, the time spent together, whether virtually or in person, often shifts from quantity to quality. The awareness that time together is limited can lead couples to plan more meaningful interactions. Instead of falling into the routine of daily cohabitation, where the presence of the other is a given, LDR couples often engage in activities that ensure they make the most of every moment. This emphasis on quality over quantity can result in more fulfilling and enriching experiences, strengthening the relationship. Challenges of synchronizing lives. One of the more daunting challenges of long-distance relationships is the effort required to synchronize two separate lives. This synchronization is not just about aligning schedules for phone calls or visits but also about harmonizing life goals, career paths, and future plans. The logistical complexities of managing a relationship across different time zones or continents can place a significant strain on both partners, requiring a level of coordination and sacrifice that is less common in proximal relationships. The financial toll. The financial implications of maintaining a long-distance relationship can be substantial. Travel costs, especially for international couples, can accumulate, making frequent visits a financial strain. This aspect of LDRs often necessitates a level of financial planning and prioritization that can add an additional layer of stress to the relationship. For some, the financial burden can become a limiting factor in how often they can afford to see each other, directly impacting the relationship's quality and durability. Building trust and security. While trust is a cornerstone of any relationship, in long-distance relationships, it becomes the bedrock upon which the partnership is built. The physical distance necessitates an unwavering trust in each other's commitment and fidelity. Building and maintaining this trust requires constant effort, transparency, and communication. The process of establishing such a deep level of trust can, however, make the relationship stronger and more secure, as it is built on a foundation of mutual respect and understanding. The role of technology. The advent of technology has transformed long-distance relationships, making them more manageable and enjoyable. Instant messaging, video calls, and social media allow couples to stay connected in real time, sharing moments and experiences as they happen. However, an over-reliance on technology can also feel impersonal or insufficient at times. Finding a balance between digital communication and more traditional, tangible forms of connection is crucial for keeping the relationship vibrant and emotionally fulfilling. Planning for the future. A critical aspect of navigating a long-distance relationship is having a clear plan for the future. This plan includes not just aspirations for individual careers and personal growth but also a roadmap for eventually uniting in the same geographic location. The promise of a shared future can serve as a powerful motivator, helping couples endure the challenges of being apart. However, the pressure to align future plans can also be a source of tension, especially if compromises or sacrifices are needed to make cohabitation possible. Cultivating patience and understanding. Patience and understanding become paramount virtues in a long-distance relationship. Delays in communication, missed calls, or the inability to be physically present for important milestones can test a couple's patience. Cultivating a deep sense of understanding and empathy towards each other's circumstances can help mitigate frustrations and reinforce the bond between partners. Navigating the complexities of a long-distance relationship requires a blend of patience, communication, and creativity. While the challenges are significant, from financial strains to emotional and physical disconnects, the opportunities for growth and deepening emotional connections are profound. The effort to maintain a sense of closeness despite physical distances can result in a uniquely strong and resilient relationship. Ultimately, the success of a long-distance relationship hinges on the willingness of both partners to invest in their bond, demonstrating that love knows no bounds. Whether an LDR is a temporary phase or a longer-term arrangement, the experiences and lessons it provides can enrich the lives of those involved, offering insights into the nature of commitment, sacrifice, and the enduring power of love. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on relationship facts. See you next time.